Hi, I'm the Boss Problem Buster, founder of the Pay Raise Commando, a senior organizational consultant of 24 years, having worked across cultures, industries, and ranks. I'm also a social psychologist with a master's and a bachelor's degrees, both with honors. My team and I train past over corporate professionals like you to get that pay raise and promotion you're overdue for so that you can finally kill your Monday blues before you sink further and bring your inner joy back, which is the best part of my job and the goal of this channel. Kill your Monday blues and bring your inner joy back. Now, back to the salt mines. And last but not at all least, the number 5 thing that happens when your office romance ends is it's everybody's breakup and you're to blame. You have to understand that when you break up an office romance, it is very different than any other romantic breakup. And this goes back to your Brangelina power couple status. Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie cannot break up in private, neither can you. There are 3 issues here. A, it's everybody's business. By now, everybody knows you're a couple, so everyone will know about the breakup. You will be going through your grieving process in plain sight. And your awkward at best or tense at worst relationship with your now ex schmoopy will be scrutinized overtly and covertly by everybody and their uncle. Hey, you were the one who mixed business and pleasure and imposed your personal issues on your teammates and boss and maybe even clients and vendors. So you have no case for complaining now that you want to separate the business from the pleasure, but since everybody is in the same pressure cooker, either i.e. the office, schmoopy included, you find that they are still very much mixed. The second issue is that it's indeed everybody's breakup, not just yours and schmoopy's. There is a shared communal grieving process, as weird as it may sound. In every breakup of a relationship that went on for a while, you have collateral damage. On top of your adjustment to the new situation, everybody around you who was positively invested in your relationship has to come to terms with it ending as well. By positively invested in your relationship, I mean anybody and everybody at the office whom, although maybe pissed off with you at the beginning and trusting you had implemented every fix this deck teaches you, starting next time. So those of them who came around to root for you and whom were happy for you, those are the people I'm talking about. So your breakup takes a toll on their day-to-day at the office and their emotions as well. Of course, it's not a grieving process that is equal to yours in intensity or volume, but it is nevertheless a grieving process. This is true if your breakup is amicable. So imagine what it's like if it's not. It can get to be stressful and even toxic to everybody around you, especially if they have to choose sides. Which brings us directly to the third and last issue in regard to the fact that it's everybody's breakup, which is everybody may be pissed off with you all over again because of all of the above. Thus, you are back to square one in yet another way on top of what we've seen before. Okay, guys, I'm glad to say this wraps up nicely the whole first part of this Sex and the Workplace deck, in which for 8 videos straight, we have painstakingly and meticulously drilled down into the 7 original plus 1 bonus Office Romance boss problems that you will encounter if you embark on an office romance or are already encountering if you are already in the throes of such an affair. We have done so in depth and scope I have not seen anywhere online ever of which I'm very proud because I know this deck can save your career no less, specifically saving your eligibility for that promotion and or pay raise you so wanted all along. Join me next time when we embark on the second part of this deck, which will focus exclusively and as painstakingly and as meticulously on all the fixes to each and every of those 8 Office Romance boss problems we have covered. If you'd like the full transcript of this video and all the videos on this channel, see the link in the description. It's on our website, bossproblembuster.com, because it's too long to paste here, so not a trick to get you there. But if you do hop over, you'll find many practical reads and a forum where you can discreetly and anonymously ask us anything in regards to landing that promotion and pay raise, to which we reply very quickly. So if you'd like to get a promotion with a pay raise or a pay raise independent of a promotion, kill your Monday blues and bring your inner joy back, then subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so that we can meet again.